Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. In this video, I will be discussing about the front-end job opportunities that have been posted by Relevel platform by Unacademy. Guys, this platform has posted 150 plus job opportunities. More than 50 plus companies will be hiring through this platform this year. These companies include big startups like Cred, Upgrade, Razorpay, etc. Guys, one more thing is that if you clear the interview, you can get a package of around 15 LPA through this platform. So guys, make sure that you watch this video till the end so that you do not miss on this opportunity to work in your dream companies. In this video, I will be telling you that who all are eligible for these companies, how you can register on this platform, and what all rounds you have to face before the final interview in this company. So guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe it and please join my Telegram group also. I post regular updates on different companies which are hiring. The link of the Telegram group is given in the description box. Okay, so guys, this is the Relevel platform by Unacademy. I will give you the link in the description box for this platform so that you can come here personally and visit this site. For now, I will just walk you through the entire selection process. Okay, so first step will be take the Relevel test to work at India's finest companies. So guys, if you want to get into the job, then you first have to give the Relevel test that will be happening on this platform. Now, once you have given the Relevel test, next step will be get interviews from companies with your Relevel score. Now, after Relevel test, you will be given a Relevel score, and based on that scores, all the partnered companies will be contacting you for the interviews. And once you have cleared the interview, you will be given the offer letter for the same. Okay, now access from anywhere in India. Guys, you have to give the Relevel test. Now this Relevel test in this COVID period will be 100% online. You do not have to go to any center. You just have to sit at home. You just need a laptop, a good internet connection, and a working web camera, and you're good to go for this test. Now get your dream job and a full refund. Guys, this is the best part of this platform. See, for giving the Relevel test, you will have to pay a certain fee amount that I will be covering in the later part of the video. But once you get your dream job, once you get placed in a company, after receiving the offer letter, a full refund for this particular fee that you will be paying for Relevel test will be refunded back to you. So it means that once you get a job, it will be at effective price 0. So this is the good part of this platform that I liked. Okay, so guys, the important part is that who all are eligible for this Relevel test. Guys, anyone who is fulfilling these 3 criteria are eligible for this Relevel test. First criteria is that anyone who is 18 years or above. Second is anyone with 0 to 3 years of experience. Now, if you are a fresher, then also you can apply. If you have at most 3 years of industry experience, then also you can apply for this Relevel test. The third criteria is anyone who can join within 30 days of the test. So if you have been selected by the company, then you have to join the company within a month. So this is also the criteria that you have to fulfill. So guys, now it doesn't matter that you are a 2021 batch pass out, you are a 2022 batch pass out. You can apply for this test, and if you clear this test, you can work in these dream companies. Okay, so as one more thing is that, see here in the eligibility criteria, there is nothing mentioned that you must be of some degree, like you have BTech, you have MBA or something. So it means that whether you are a commerce background or you are arts background, then also you can apply for this Relevel test, and you will be selected just based on your skills and not on the basis of your background. So if you are any background and you are fulfilling these 3 criteria and you have the skills that are required by the company, then also you can participate in the Relevel test and you can get a job in these companies. So I hope now the things are clear to you. Now the next thing is that how it all works. First, there will be registration and booking. Now see, I strongly recommend that whenever you are watching this video, please register on that day only, because once you will be registering, then there will be slot opening from 10th July. Now the earlier you register, the earlier you get the access to the slots of your choice. Now what are the slots for? Now 1 day 5 rounds. Guys, this Relevel test will consist of 5 rounds, and all these 5 rounds will be happening on just on 1 day, not on different days, but all these 5 rounds will be happening on single day. What are all things which will be asked in these 5 rounds? I will be discussing after this thing. Now once you have registered, then you have to book a slot, and that slot booking will be starting from 10 July. The earlier you register, the earlier you get access to the slots of your choice. Now once you have booked the slot, on that particular day you will be going through the 5 rounds that are present in the Relevel test. And now after the Relevel test is over, it means the 5 rounds are over, then the score will be given to you. then it is written that receive your re-level score within 24 hours with reports about your strengths and weaknesses. Okay, so after this test, re-level score will be given to you, and then on the basis of that re-level score, the interviews will be starting. Different companies which are partnered through this particular platform will be contacting you on the basis of that re-level score. So within a week, all the entire process of this platform of hiring will be over. So one day you will be giving test, after 24 hours you will be getting the score, and after that interviews will be starting. And if you are lucky and you have the required skills, you will be getting a job in your dream company. Now that is the last part, that is get your dream job after the interviews are over. Now the most important part is, see, many of you wanted to know that what all companies will be hiring through this platform. So as there are very big names which will be hiring through this platform. There is Urban Company, there will be Upgrad, there will be 1MG, as well as there will be Coordination that will be hiring through this platform. So guys, make sure that you register for these contest and do not miss this particular opportunity for working in your dream companies. Now the next thing is that, see, on this platform there are many large amount of jobs, but for front-end development there will be 150 plus job opportunities, and in this video I will be covering front-end development only. If you want back-end development also, please comment down. I will be posting next video on back-end development also. So for this part I will be covering the front-end development. Now I will be discussing the syllabus, and I will be discussing that what are all different rounds and what are their duration. Okay, so guys, I have told you that there will be 5 rounds in the re-level test, and they will all be happening on the same day. So the first round will be back to basics. Now duration of this round will be 45 minutes. In this round consists of 35 questions where the candidate is tested on the soundness of their knowledge on computer science fundamentals. Now these computer science fundamentals involves computer networks, operating system, basics of programming, database, etc. So there will be 35 questions on these particular computer fundamentals in this particular round. That is the first round, and duration of this round will be 45 minutes. Now the second round will be assess your algo. Now in this round the candidate is expected to answer 3 coding questions that test their problem solving skills and algorithmic thinking. So in this duration of this round will be 1.5 hours, and in this 1.5 hours you have to solve 3 coding questions and you have to pass the test cases which will be already given to you. Now this was the second round. Now the third round will be create your feature. Now in this round the candidate is required to code and develop the front end of web application using React. Here it is specifically mentioned that you have to build and develop the front end of web application using React. So if you know any other framework, that will not work. You have to use React for this particular round. The candidate will be provided with the problem statement and user stories along with the boilerplate code template. Okay, so the duration of this round is 2 hours. So in this round you will be provided with the problem statement, and on basis of that problem statement you have to build a front end using React in these 2 hours. So this was the third round. Now the fourth round will be optimize your feature. This round will be of 1.5 hours. In this round the candidate is asked to extend the functionality of the app built in the previous round. So here you have to just build the front end using React, and in the next round you will have to enhance the functionality of the app you have just built. So for this particular task you will be given 1.5 hours. This will be the fourth round, and next will be the last round, that is the face the interview. So this is the round 5 of this re-level test, and after this interview round, this is the 5th round, you will be given the re-level score, and on basis of the re-level score you will be getting calls from different companies for interviews. Okay, so the last round will be the face the interview. It will be a 1 hour interview, and in this particular interview you will be tested on your object oriented programming skills as well as front end development skills. So make sure that you thoroughly study your front end development skills and object oriented programming skills. So these were all the rounds that will be happening in re-level test, and that particular test and all these rounds will be happening on a single day. So it means that if we consider the entire day, then this test will be of around, you can say, 6 to 8 hours it will take in a single day, and that day will be the slot you booked after registering it. And I have told you earlier also, you must register as soon as possible to get the early access to your preferred slots, and on that particular day which you choose, these all rounds will be completed in a single day. Now these are all the different rounds. Okay, so here is a detailed syllabus that you must prepare before this re-level test. Here it is given everything in detail. You are given the topics that are important, and similarly after that topics you are given the reading materials from where you can study them. So here the material is given for computer science fundamentals that will be asked in re-level test in round 1 and 2, and for the later part of the rounds you are given the front web development material also, that you must know HTML, CSS, responsive design, JavaScript fundamentals, React JS, and basic knowledge of APIs. So this will do your job. Now if you want to if you want the study material, you can simply find this PDF in this re-level platform only. Here after you click the front end development test, then there are two options. One will register now, another will be download syllabus, and when you will click download syllabus, this PDF will occur, and on the last page of this PDF entire syllabus is given to you and reading materials are also given to you. Now the last part of this video is how to register for this test. So once you have decided that you have to give the front end web development test, then you simply have to come on this page and you have to click register now. Now after you have clicked the register now, you will be redirected to this page, and here it is given that for giving this re-level test you will have to give a price of 2000 rupees. But guys, don't worry, you do not have to pay this full amount. You can simply use my referral code that is given in the description box, and you will get a flat 10% off on this particular amount. So after applying this amount, you will be getting a discount of 200 rupees, and your effective price will be 1800. Now guys, but I have told you that if you get a job in this company through this platform, then this entire fees will be refunded to you. So guys, in my point of view, 1800 rupees is not such a big deal, because you are getting a chance in working in your dream companies. So make sure that you register for this job as soon as possible and book your slot and get a chance to work in your dream companies. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching this video.